we are bringing you live some exclusive pictures of animals being spotted in the city area.
Huh? Milk, sir. Huh?
Zebras dressed as humans were spotted crossing a busy road, resulting in traffic chaos.
Hey bro, what's all the fuss about?
Turbo man, crossing the Mara River was a cakewalk than crossing these strips.
An unusual day for these school students today. A baby hippo has taken admission in a local school, which is causing inconvenience to the students. Our local correspondent spotted a lion. Yes, a lion. Working as a chef at a restaurant. Peeling onions is far more difficult than hunting a buffalo in the grasslands. Another correspondent reports from the Central Mall, where a crocodile was spotted shopping groceries, leaving the humans around shedding some crocodile tears. Reports are also coming from the railway station, where an elephant was seen trying to board the local train, causing great inconvenience to the regular passengers. Back to the studio.
The nation wants to know, why are animals encroaching our spaces? We have in our studio a guest.
Team SDG will have to go to the root of this issue.
Join our team SDG in saving the world.